Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. I am going to be cleaning up my kitchen area. I'm not going to be doing a deep cleaning. I'm just going to be tidying up, maybe vacuum the area and putting away some Easter decor that I had up since Easter. And I'm also going to be decorating my coffee station and my breakfast nook. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy videos like this and you would like to see me do more videos like this. So without further ado, we're going to get into tidying up this kitchen and putting away this Easter decor. And I'm going to be decorating my coffee station and my breakfast nook for the spring. So let's just jump on into the video. I'm not going to be talking the whole way through the video, guys. I might be jumping in and out throughout the video. I'm going to be playing music. So I also want you guys to comment down below. Do you like videos like this? Do you enjoy the music that I'm playing? And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to head out and enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
I was able to pack all of my Easter decor in this one tote, and I'm so happy. For my coffee station decor, I'm going to be using this cake stand, glass cake stand, and I'm also going to be using the green glass canisters. I'm going with a green and yellow color scheme for my coffee station. This area right here is my breakfast nook, and I just have been piling stuff up on top of this table here in my breakfast nook. I have some leftover Easter candy and some other items that I have purchased in the last week or so. So I'm gonna just get all this stuff cleaned up so I can decorate my table. It is so satisfying when you get your kitchen all nice and clean. The dishes over in the other side of the sink, those are clean. I just have a rack that I use to dry the dishes and after I wash them, and then I put them up. Right here is my coffee station. You know, I always start with showing you my Keurig with a cup. In the corner there is the items that I showed you guys in a previous haul. And if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out because I hauled some great items. That's my little boot there, and I just placed some flowers. Didn't do too much, just placed these containers here with coffee and tea, and I placed some lemons. Right here is my apron that came with the oven mitt, and I just hung it there, you know, for easy access. And I'm just giving you an overview of how nice my kitchen came out. Really love it. And this area right here is my little bar area in my kitchen, and I just did a simple arrangement in this picture that I got from the Target bullseye spot. Place a candle that I got from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, very simple but really cute. So I'm just gonna go through my kitchen again and let you guys see how my kitchen came out nice and clean, and my little coffee station. Now I'm going to give you a look at my breakfast nook. I love it, guys. I know I say that about every tablescape, but I just love this tablescape. It just looks so refreshing. It just screams spring. I had these plates ever since last year, and I never did a tablescape. And so I just decided that once I got my area cleaned up, that I was going to go with the lemon theme, because I said in a previous video that when I found that oven mitt and the apron set, I was going to go ahead and just do a lemon theme. And I had already purchased the lemons for Hobby Lobby, so I just decided to do a tablescape. Right here, the centerpiece is that picture that I got from Walmart for $7, and I just placed some greenery and some lemons. And this is my place setting. Very simple, but oh so cute. And I'm going to show you guys how I layer it as usual. You know, I always love to show you how I layer things. I just went with a place mat here, and then my galvanized chargers and my lemon plates. These plates came from the Dollar Tree, and they are so nice. I love these plates. I know you guys have seen them before. They were really popular last year, and in my opinion, they still popular this year. So I have the plate, and I have the appetizer or salad plate, and those little chalkboard stands, I got them from Dollar General, guys, and they were only $1. So right here, I'm going to show you the price. As you see, they were only $1, and I got them from Dollar General. I couldn't decide what glassware I was going to use, so I just, you know, use like a wine glass and then a regular water glass. So you guys comment down below which you think would look best for this tablescape. Yeah, guys, I love how this came out. Really cute. Love it. In the corner here on this little ladder that I got from Hobby Lobby, I just placed some towels that I got those towels. I can't remember where all I got those lemon towels from, because I got them from 2 different places, but I just sat them in the corner there. last look at my Tablescape, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.